everybody, I hope y'all are doing good today. I'm going to throw together a recipe that I haven't tried yet. It looks so yummy, and we're gonna see what this is gonna taste like. I started out with about 3 pounds of chicken breast. I used about 3/4 cup of sour cream, 3 teaspoons of ranch dressing mix, now you're going to mix all of that together. Coat that chicken really well, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. You can actually put this in the refrigerator to marinate the night before or in the morning when you head off to work. I've had this in the refrigerator marinating for about 2 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and get it out, and we're going to throw this together. Okay, so I got my chicken out of the refrigerator. It's nice and marinated. The first thing you want to do is make sure your baking sheet's got some oil on it. And I'm just using some olive oil. You'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and I like to make my own and freeze them. I'll have to do a video on that one day. So 1 cup of breadcrumbs, about 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese, about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of ranch dressing mix. Go ahead and mix that together. I hope this is good. This looks so easy. Grab a piece of that chicken, and we're just gonna coat it. Lay that out on that baking sheet, just like that. Y'all, I ain't even put this in the oven yet, and it smells good. Now, evidently, you're supposed to spray it down with Pam. I'm not a big fan of Pam, but you do you. I know it's quicker, but I just put some olive oil in my measuring cup, and I'm just kind of basting it on here. So this should work just fine. I preheated my oven for 375 degrees. We are going to pop these in the oven, and I'm thinking this is going to take about 30 minutes. I did not bookmark that recipe. A lot of times I just memorize the ingredients and I just wing it. We're going to put these in the oven, and I'll be back and I'll let you know what they taste like. This turned out really great. Look at that. This is so good. This is going to be a keeper in my household. Oh, this is so good. I'm definitely making this again.